Favour Ebiloma, and I'll be taking you through our Women in KEDI business series, where we'll be celebrating all our female distributors for their immense contributions in the business. Different women, different locations, different struggles, remarkable achievements. In this episode, we will be looking at the story of Mrs. Favour Ebiloma.
My name is Mrs. Favour Ebiloma. I'm Mr. 8 consultant with KEDI HEALTHCARE. I joined KEDI HEALTHCARE in the year 2016. I chose KEDI HEALTHCARE because they are dependable. KEDI HEALTHCARE is reliable. They promise and they keep to their promise. They promise and they deliver. I have achieved a lot in KEDI HEALTHCARE to the glory of God. In 2018, I was awarded a car in KEDI HEALTHCARE. In 2019, I traveled to Dubai, courtesy KEDI HEALTHCARE. All expense paid. And in 2020, my husband was awarded a car in KEDI HEALTHCARE. I can say KEDI HEALTHCARE products are highly potent. They are highly potent. They are highly potent. I've used it on several people and we have gotten results ranging from infertility, diabetes, hypertension, pie, ulcer, and all manner. I think I love Richie the most. I love Richie. Richie is king of herbs, and there's virtually no ailment you're treating that you don't put Richie. Richie goes to the source of the problem, source of the illness, and start attacking it from there. My advice to upcoming distributors is they should always go for knowledge. They should always attend seminars, go to training school. They should develop themselves. And I also want to advise the existing distributors that they should not give up. If they are crawling, let them continue to crawl. If they are walking, let them continue to walk. And if they are flying, let them continue to fly. But by all means, let them keep moving. Thank you very much.
Women in KEDI business, celebrating womanhood. KEDI, the partner we trust.